could go down to anytime can get to white picture. See the two white.
Yeah, two in there.
Two white.
Pretty cool.
Cause we got outside. Number two. Go too white. It overlapping. See the two white.
See the two lights?
Uh-oh, the gun alarm going off. Right there. You see how for the
Come upstairs. You want to check out these lights again?
Hope they get out the two lights, but we did good.
Do you have Mommy's phone, yes or no?
So we do light?
Do you have Mommy's phone, yes or no?
Okay. Mom, look at that together.
Put hands up.
Look to the out.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah. Ooh, this is right. There's right.
Yeah, come on.
And myself. Got there. Star sign.
That's right.
We're gonna walk down get rest in a car. You're gonna rest to sit there and move. We're walking up we're gonna go to the door. That's the elevator. Set.